is goodbye, waiting for your bright blue sky.
Gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon na huwag ka mamimili just because of their looks, okay? Kasi mapapansin din naman ng mga tao kung ano talaga yung habol mo sa inyong relasyon. Anyway, so we have this one in reverse. So whether you like it or not, mag-ending yung inyong relasyon. We also have the last. So yeah, it will end. So we have the dream here. So maybe you're dreaming about it already na mag-ending yung connection kasi it's really destined to happen. So you may find the right partner for you that you can trust because first of all, in your reading, I don't really feel na you trust this person. Maybe because of the reason that you kinda like aware that he or she keeps on flirting around. So we have the heart here. We also have Phoenix in either way. So, gusto sabihin ng Diyos na if ever you're wishing na umangat yung connection nyo, I really feel na paulit-ulit na minamalas. Okay, with the Phoenix being here, kahit nasabihin natin na love mo yung taong ito, kasi hindi ko naman nasa-sense dito sa energy na may love doon. I feel like you're just keeping this person because he or she is kinda like a trophy at saka may pagmamalaki mo na sa angking ganda or kagapuhan. Pero, hindi kasi yung sapat ng basehan, guys, about the true love that really matters. Yun yung dapat mo matutunan. Kasi guys, kung di mo matutunan yun, paulit-ulit din na ganito yung mangyayari sa inyong buhay, na after this connection, magmamahal ka na naman, na maganda or gwapo, ulit na naman yung same situation. So, gusto sana sabihin ng Panginoon na huwag mo tatong ulitin yung ganitong patterns. Kasi napapatagal yung growth mo, napapatagal na mahanap mo sana yung true love na dapat sa inyo. Kasi yung connection mo is full of toxicity na. Okay? So, God is wanting you to release yourself from something that is giving you toxicity. We have the special here. We also have this one here. Kasi, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, yung true love, guys, you know, ito is something na special, something na if you feel mo na magiging okay yung lahat at hindi ka na mag-aalala na may kukuha sa inyong tao because you know to yourself that this person didn't give you any hard time, okay, at hindi ka na problema dahil siya ay loyal sa'yo. So you have this one in either way. Umiwas ka rin daw sa mga gold diggers. And we also have this one in reverse. Gusto rin sabihin ng Panginoon sa'yo na hindi actually nagbabago yung inyong love situationship. Kundi mo siya papagawalan. Kaya yung susi mo ay naka-reverse kasi hindi mo ma-unlock yung the person for you talaga kasi patuloy ka nag-iisip na dapat yung karelasyon mo ay maganda or gwapo or may pagmamalaki mo talaga sa inyong kapwa. Iwasan nyo rin yung brag posting attitude, guys. Kasi guys, kung may ganun kayo na attitude na kung ano nangyari sa inyong buhay, pinopost mo, ma-addict ka talaga na magmalaki. Okay, ganyan din kasi naging perspective mo na dapat ipagmalaki mo yung iyong person. Hindi naman dapat ganun. So, there should be love. There should be, you have to realize yung importansya rin na magandang ugali, okay? At saka loyalty is what I sense. Very important, guys, and trust sa connection. Kasi I don't really feel that there is trust sa relationship. Kasi alam mo na yung tao mo, you know, ay parang ahas na paligid-ligid na nagpa-flirt kung kani-kanino.